Welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to do a wig review on this beauty, the Henry Magu Brooklyn. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ange. I love to share all things beauty and lifestyle aimed at the more mature woman as I navigate my more mature years. I have a lot of videos on makeup tutorials, eyeshadow tutorials, skincare, but on the last 8 months I've been on a journey of breast cancer treatment, and so wigs have become something that I have been having to look at as I've lost all of my hair. So if that sounds like the sort of content you are interested in, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that each time I do upload a video, YouTube lets you know when I do so. Now, I haven't worn wigs a lot. I have found this wig journey quite difficult. In the last 8 months, I've probably only worn a wig for about 5 full days to work and out to dinner about 3 times. I don't feel comfortable in them. I'm having trouble finding exactly what I want. There are so many factors to take into consideration. I think I'm getting there. I've got quite a few wigs to review because I've been buying quite a few wigs on clearance. I'm trying them out, seeing what I like, working out what works for me and what doesn't. I am reselling or passing on, and hopefully going to come down to a handful of wigs that I know I'm going to enjoy wearing. This wig by Henry Magu ticks off a lot of boxes that I have in my wish list when looking for a wig. It is low density. There is no permatease, or if there is, there's very, very minimal. I personally do not like permatease. I have got naturally very fine hair, so I like a fine, low density wig. It has a beautiful lace front, something I really appreciate in wigs because it gives you that natural hairline and you can play with the style and do different things with it and wear it off your face and it doesn't look wiggy. I like the fact that it has a monofilament parting, another plus that I like because it looks like a natural part. Lengthwise, this is in my sort of wheelhouse of length of what I like, and so there's lots of lovely features about this wig that I do like. As far as the cap goes, you've got wefting in, you have got a wefted cap. There is a velvet extended nape with the extending adjusters in the Velcro, which I appreciate. I like them a lot more than the bra strap hook and eyes. You have got the velvet covered ear tabs that have got really sturdy metal in there, and of course the monofilament part and the beautiful lace front. Now I'm pretty sure the colour I have this in is in 8H, H being it's highlighted. I was very remiss at the beginning when I was purchasing wigs, and I did buy this from clearance from Wonderful Wigs of Oz, of not keeping all the bits and pieces that go with a wig. So popping it back on my head, taking the ear tabs and balancing them out. Now, ear tabs I really like as well. They come up on my little petite short head here, which I really appreciate. I don't like ear tabs that come down to here on me. I'm going to go through all the wigs that I do have, and anything that doesn't have a high ear tab I'm going to move on, because they're just really uncomfortable, and in my mind they don't look very natural for every day. Having the ear tabs up higher on me, because I have got a very small measurement from ear to top of my head, means that tucking behind my ear is just a lot more natural than if the ear tab's down low and I've got to go up and over. It's also very, very convenient for wearing masks as well. It's just so much easier to pop a mask on and off if the ear tabs are sitting up higher on my face. Okay, so that is tucked. The good thing about a straight style in my mind is that you don't have to fuss. I can use a comb to comb it out and not stress too much about loosening curls and things like that. So this is the front, left side, back, so she's a really nice, sleek, low density wig. Now you can, I'm not a headband wearer, but you can easily wear a headband without, I'm not a headband girl. For me that's just a bit too girly for me, but that's just my personal preference. As I said, because of the lace front, it's really easy to clip the style. If you're wanting to clip it off your face, it's really easy to do. You can tuck it if that's your preference, and because of the ear tabs being up higher, that's okay. Now a lot of people do like to wear a little bit of hair. I'm having trouble trying to work out how to do this from the monitor rather than a mirror. Okay, so a lot of people like to have a little bit of hair just tucking forward in front of that ear tab. Because of the length, you could also put a clip in the back and have it up with just a little tendril loose. And you could pin it back on both sides. This one does not want to. So lots of ways to play and style a longer bob like this. Lots of different things that you can do. I just like the fact that it's easy and it's light and looks quite natural. Now the measurements for this wig, she weighs just 3.25 ounces, so lovely and lightweight. The bang is 8 inches, the ear tab 8 inches, the nape 4.5 inches, the top is 12 inches, the sides are 10 inches, The back is 9.5 inches. The overall length is 12 inches. Something that I think works well for me is the cap is a petite average, which is perfect for my petite average head. You do have room to cinch it in, and the wefting is also stretchy as well. So Henry Magu Brooklyn, I think, is a really pretty wig. Thanks for joining me today, guys. As I said, I've got quite a few wig reviews to do, and I'm slowly going to get through them, and I am going to be passing quite a few of these wigs on as I have discovered what I like and what I don't like about wigs. And then I will, at the end of all of this, do a video of all the wigs that I have decided to keep. I really do appreciate you joining me today and taking time out of your day to watch my video. I do hope that you consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below and checking out other content that I do have. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. See you later, guys. Bye.